In the previous topic, we studied about the process of pollination. We know that pollination may be self-pollination and cross-pollination. The plant always tries to promote cross-pollination. But the problem is that most of the flowers are bisexual. So, the plant adopts various mechanisms or devices which promote cross-pollination, and such methods are called as outbreeding devices. These outbreeding devices basically overcome the problem of self-pollination, that is inbreeding depression. How can this be done? This can be done by various mechanisms like pollen release and stigma receptivity may not be synchronized. Anthers and stigma may not be placed at compatible positions. There may be self-incompatibility or production of unisexual flowers. We will take these conditions one by one, how the plant adopts these mechanisms. So the first and the most important and effective method of outbreeding device is called unisexuality. Unisexuality is technically called dicliny, where the plant has different flowers, male flowers and female flowers. Either both the flowers may be in the same plant, that condition is called monoecious, like in maize, or the flowers may be in two different plants, male plant and female plant, for example mulberry and papaya, date palm. This is first method. Second outbreeding mechanism is called dichogamy, where the maturity of male part and female part is at different times. It may be protandry, for example, in case like in salvia, the male part may mature first, or it may be protogyny where female part matures first. The next outbreeding device is called heterostyly, where the position of style and stamen are different. For example, the style may be very long and stamens may be placed very low. Or the second condition, where the stamens are placed very high and the style is placed very low. The next outbreeding device is called hercogamy, where the floral parts are in such a way that it promotes cross-pollination. For example, in case of hibiscus, the male part is protruded out. So it promotes more of cross-pollination than self-pollination. And the next type of outbreeding device is called as self-sterility. In this case, even if the pollination in the same flower has taken place, that will not result in the growth of the pollen tube. This means that the plant can recognize its own pollen grain and it will prevent the further growth of the pollen grain. Okay.